Alright guys, welcome back. In the last videos, we learned about variables, operators, functions, conditional and switch statements. Now today, we are moving into a very important JavaScript concept called loops. A loop simply means doing something again and again automatically, instead of writing the same code multiple times. For example, I want to print numbers from 1 to 10. I don't want to write console.log 10 times. JavaScript gives us loop to handle that. In this video, I'll explain all the main JavaScript loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, for off loop, for in loop. Run it in the console and I'll explain every single line slowly. Let's start with the for loop, which is the most common loop in JavaScript. Let I equals 1 means we are starting our counter from 1. I less than or equal to 5 is the condition. As long as the condition is true, the loop will keep running. I++ means after each loop, increase I by 1. Inside the curly brace is the code that runs again and again. So in our developer tool, it's going to run 1 down to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go to the next part. So now let's talk about the while loop. First, we create a variable called count and set it to 1. Then while loop checks the condition before running. As long as count is less than or equal to 5, the loop keeps running. Inside the loop, we log the value when we manually increase count using count++. If you forget this increment, the loop will run forever. And this is it. This is the count variable here, and we'll call the increment count++. Alright, so it's going to do the while loop in our console box. So the do while loop is slightly different. Here, the code inside the loop runs at least once, even if the condition is false. First, let's do the block run. Then JavaScript checks the condition in the while loop. This is useful when you want something to happen at least once, no matter what. And this is the while loop and the condition in it. Alright, so let's go to the next part. So right here, let's talk about the for off loop, which is perfect for arrays. We have an array called fruit. So in this array, we store different kinds of fruit, apples, banana, orange. Alright, so that's it. And we have the for let fruit of fruit. It means go through each item inside the array one by one. Each time the loop runs, fruit holds the current value. This is cleaner and easier than using indexes. Alright, so this is how it works. So let's go to the next one, which is the for in loops. So finally, we have the for in loop, which is mainly used for the objects. Alright, so objects don't have indexes like arrays. So keys represent each property's name in the object. So whenever you have something like, okay, so this is the object of user that has the name, country and age. And then we write the for let key in user. Then we console the log, the key, then a colon and the user key. So this user key gives us the value of the property. So this loop prints both the keys and the value of the object. So when do you have to use this for loop is when you know how many times you want to loop. The while loop when you don't know how many times you want to loop. The do while loop when the code must run at least once. For off loop is best for the arrays and for in is best for the object. So this is our for loop. This is the result of the for loop. You see 1 down to 5, while loop 1 down to 5, the do while loop, and for in and for off loop. So guys, that's JavaScript Loops Explained for beginners level. If you understand loops, JavaScript will become much easier for you. In the next video, we will use loop with real examples like arrays, form, and logic. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and practice this example yourself. I'll see you in the next one.